The legendary Impala is one of those timeless designs that looks good no matter how it's built. Stock, resto-modded, coupe, convertible, whatever. The clean lines and balanced stance on these cherished classics create an all-American swagger that's universally admired. That means if you're looking to ride in style, you really cannot go wrong with a full-size Chevy. Restored, resilient, and ready to roll, this top-of-the-line 1958 Impala drop top displays immaculate bodywork that simply glistens. The car's super straight profile is layered in correct Onyx Black 2-stage that's been buffed to a spectacular shine. And in typical 50s fashion, that pigment is fully detailed in literal feet of polished trim. Rocket-inspired speed spears cage bold Impala emblems, and a crisp Continental kit is framed between 6 familiar taillights. Decked in brilliant detail, this Chevy's correct interior has been restored to factory-fresh condition in virtually every way. Cloth and vinyl seats feel newer than the car's years would suggest. A sculpted dash found control for factory air conditioning beneath a guide traffic light viewer and familiar Wonderbar audio, and the driver spins an elegant Impala steering wheel. Lift the hood and you'll find 348 cubic inches of 1958 big block that follows Rochester tri-power induction with a correct casting number. Torque meets the pavement through a smooth Power Glide 2-speed, which spins a factory rear end that's finished with 331 gears. Fully restored and professionally sorted, this line-topping Chevy is a first-rate classic that's ready for years of shows and miles of cruising. With a rare motor, a lust-worthy profile, and super cool swagger, it's the kind of car that can be enjoyed for generations. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.